Hello there and welcome to our channel. So the Garmin Forerunner 955 has been leaked a bunch in recent months. A Garmin authorized local market distributor has revealed plenty of unreleased devices on its warranty information. Then we saw that this wearable was briefly listed on Garmin's Australia website. Another seller has inadvertently confirmed that Garmin will also announce a Forerunner 955 Solar, not just a battery-powered version. So with so many potential sources of information, it is becoming more and more difficult for Garmin to keep products secretive. Well, that is good for us, but do keep in mind nothing is official and still there is a great deal we don't know about the new watch. Anyways, let's dive into whatever information we have about Forerunner 955. First of all, it looks like the next-gen multi-sports watch will come in both standard and solar variants. So for solar variant, Garmin will replace the Corning Gorilla Glass with photovoltaic power glass, allowing it to run for much longer between charges. This information comes via Gadgets and Wearables, who spotted the listing. But there is no way of confirming whether the Swedish retailer's posting is genuine. It's the first and only listing mentioning solar variant. Even the leaked list of upcoming devices have no mention of solar-powered Forerunner 955. But we are hoping for Garmin to bring solar charging capabilities to this wearable. This year, in late January, a page briefly appeared on Garmin's Australia website. There were no images this time around, but several Garmin fans managed to capture screen grabs of a listing in the Australian web store for a Forerunner 955 LTE bundle priced at 1049 Aussie dollars, about $750 US or 550 pounds. With Forerunner 955 LTE, you will be able to download apps with the Garmin Connect store, grab extra maps, and sync and transfer data without a Bluetooth connection to your phone. This is a very handy feature to have. Also, the fact that this is a bundle suggests that, like the Forerunner 945, the 955 will be available to buy with additional chest strap heart rate monitors for more accurate readings. Well, that is all that's been leaked until now. Now there are certain things that we want to see in this wearable, like the touch screen functionality. It's always better to have more ways to interact with the wearable. Then the flashlight feature and more health and fitness metrics. So yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.